91% of the companies say their website drives more revenue than any other marketing channel. But here's the shocking part. Only 17% of marketing leaders say their tech stack meets all the requirements. Today, we are diving deep into Webflow's groundbreaking 2025 State of the Website report, analyzing data from 500 marketing leaders to reveal why this disconnect exists and what successful companies are doing differently. Hi everyone, Parth Gaurav here, founder of Digi Hotshot, a Webflow premium partner agency. Today we are breaking down some fascinating insights from Webflow's latest research. Now, picture this. Your marketing team is juggling multiple tools trying to update the website, while developers are backed up with requests. Sounds familiar, right? You are not alone. 90% of marketing leaders report their tech stacks have grown in just the last 12 months, but adding more tools isn't solving their problems. But here's where it gets interesting. The report reveals that organizations are at a critical turning point. With AI transforming how people search and interact online, the traditional playbook for website success is just becoming obsolete. Marketing leaders are facing a clear choice right now: evolve their approach or risk failing behind. Now you might be thinking, we just need better tools or we just need more developers. But the data tells a different story. 96% of marketing teams say they could collaborate better with engineers, and 93% feel restricted by technical teams. The real issue isn't just about talent or tools. It's about fundamentally rethinking how we approach website management. Now, let's look at what the most successful organizations are doing differently. The report identified teams that consistently stay on time and on budget with their web projects. These high performers are twice as likely to generate the majority of their revenue from their website. And their secret? They focus on optimizing their website before any other digital channel, ensuring they have the right tools and processes in place to drive a sustainable growth. Now, there are three major shifts that are happening. First, the rise of AI-powered website tools. It is at 79% adoption. Second, increased focus on experimentation, which is a 45% priority right now. And third, push for better cross-team collaboration, which is a 96% priority right now. But implementing these changes isn't as simple as it seems. The report reveals some fascinating challenges. 60% of teams struggle to keep up with their website projects. And here's the reality check. While 90% of organizations have grown their tech stack, nearly 60% say they need a complete overhaul to improve user experience. But here's where things get critical. The data shows a massive disconnect. While 91% say the website drives more revenue than any other marketing channel, marketing leaders are struggling to maximize its potential. In fact, at large enterprises with over 10,000 employees, only 17% say their tech stack meets all the requirements. And this gap represents a significant missed opportunities for growth. Now let's talk about the organizations that are succeeding. They are taking three specific actions. First, investing in unified platforms like Webflow that promote collaboration between technical and non-technical teams. Second, implementing data-driven decisions making through integrated analytics and testing. Third, focusing on agile, iterative environments with visual development tools. The result is higher conversion rates, better user experiences, and significant more revenue from their websites. It's why over 3 lakh leading brands trust Webflow for their web presence. Now, looking ahead to 2025, the report makes it clear. Success won't come from just adding new tools. It requires a fundamental shift in how teams approach website management, focusing on collaboration, agility, and customer insights. And the most powerful finding, teams that successfully make this transition are twice as likely to drive the majority of their revenue from their website. This isn't just about better tools, it's about better ways of working. As you think about your website strategy for 2025, consider this. As I said, Webflow is trusted by over 3 lakh leading brands including the New York Times, Dropbox, and TED to build and manage their websites. As a Webflow premium partner, we help companies to make this transition successfully every day. If you are ready to transform your website strategy, let's talk. Drop your biggest website challenge in the comments below or reach out to learn how we can help you leverage Webflow's enterprise-grade platform for your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on building successful websites with Webflow. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching and do subscribe to the channel.